The forces of evil are abroad.
Our wages stagnate. Rents skyrocket. Let's go, Australia. Our hospitals overflow.
Unless there's a change, we're gone for.
So our schools crumble. Brisbane is the 10th most congested city in the world. All to accommodate those who have no loyalty and no claim to our soil.
You know, we should be encouraged to wave our flag and should be encouraged to call it out when it's getting burnt on the Sydney Harbour Bridge.
For those Australians out there that do want to go out and have their say and wave the Australian flag, good on you.
I want to personally thank every single one of you for coming today. You have no idea how proud I am to be an Australian when I see a crowd like this. You are my people, literally. Thank you so much. America. We know that you believe in us, and we know that together these two great democracies can change the world. We stand with America, we want America to stand with us. Let's go, Australia!
Look at all the proud Australians who love Australia. Look at all your bloody flags, it's wonderful!
If you don't want to get involved, you don't want to embrace our culture, embrace what we are, we'll go back and find another country. We don't want you. We are going to mobilise Queenslanders, and we are going